So today I decided to do like a workout with me for a week. My cat says hi, by the way. I've been wanting to do this video for a while now, like last summer, but that didn't happen. And this weekend we actually went bike riding and kayaking, so I got some footage from that. So it's Monday now and I'm gonna be doing the Chloe Ting summer shred challenge, and I started that like last oh my goodness, look at my cat. But yeah, I'm in the middle of doing the summer shred challenge. I started that last week, but I've been kind of stopping and starting. I don't know why I do that. I think I just either get bored or maybe I'm just a wimp and I don't feel like working out that day. But yeah, once I skip one day, then I pretty much just stop doing it for a while. I have to kind of like keep doing it every single day. So yeah, that is the challenge that I'm gonna be doing for this week. So sorry if I'm doing like a lot of Pilates, but I don't have like a personal gym in my house and I don't go to the gym. That's just kind of what I like to do, is Pilates, and I also like to bike ride and kayak on the weekends. But anyways, I guess we can just get started now. So here is my outfit. This top is from Hollister and the shorts are from Fabletics. It's been like in the 90s all week long, so it's been pretty hot and I don't feel like going outside today. So I'm going to be working out in my living room, and I kind of like to watch Netflix while I do my workout. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. Okay, so I'm actually on day 8 of the challenge, but this is my workout for today. I'm doing the warm-up, the shredded abs, upper body and arms, full body burn, toned arms, and then the stretches at the end. I'm not gonna film my whole entire workout because that would be way too long. So yeah, I'm just gonna get started. So I just completed day 8, so I guess I will just see you tomorrow for day 9. Hey guys, so I decided that I'm gonna do my workout outside today. So for today I'm doing the full body shredded abs, complete leg and booty workout. So I just finished day 9 of the summer shred challenge. I don't think I'm gonna do the stretches today or the optional video of the hip dip thing. I don't know because it's really hot out here and I'm tired. But anyways, I will see you back tomorrow with day 10. Hey guys, so it's Wednesday now and I'm about to do my workout, but I thought I would show you my outfit for today. So I'm wearing these leggings from Pink, and then this top is just from Amazon. But yeah, I love these leggings. They're so cute, and I just love this color green. This is like one of my favorite colors. But I'm actually going to be doing my workout in the living room today because we're getting a new patio in our backyard, so I can't exactly work out there for a little while. Maybe it'll be ready in a couple of days. But my workout for today is the warm-up, full body burn and no noise, lower abs burn, and then I'm not sure if I'm gonna do these two, but we'll see. Okay, so I'm actually gonna be watching the kissing booth right now because I started watching that last night, but I didn't finish it. Okay guys, so I just finished for today. I decided not to film my whole workout again, but you get the picture. So I will see you back tomorrow. Hey guys, so it's Friday now. I didn't do a workout yesterday because day 11 on the workout calendar was an active rest day, so I ended up just swimming and playing ping pong in my pool because my brother and his kids came over. So that's all I did yesterday. But today I'm actually going to work out outside, and we actually just got new patio, so ignore the background because we didn't finish landscaping it yet, so sorry if it's kind of a mess in the background. But yeah, I decided to work out outside today because it's really nice out. So I'm not going to show you my entire workout because a lot of the workouts repeat like throughout the week. So I'm just going to show you one of the videos. I think it's called Lower Abs Burn. It's one of my favorite ones that I've done so far. So I'll just show you like my outfit of the day real quick. I don't know if anybody really cares about this, but I know a lot of other people do this in their videos. So I thought I would just show like where this is from. And today I actually don't really know whether this is from Dunham's or Dick's, but I got this outfit a while ago. These are the shorts and then the top. Anyways, I'm gonna get started with my workout now. I hope you enjoyed watching me work out for a week. Let me know if you want to see more of these types of videos because I kind of enjoy filming them. So if you want to see more, just comment down below and give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, I will see you in my next one. Bye!